In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy a City Traders Imperium account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to the search bar and click in citytradersimperium.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description. From here, it should look something like this. And here, you need to go up to free trial to create an account. From here, you'll need to add in your first name, your last name, your email address, password, country, and how did you hear about City Traders Imperium or CTI. And then you can choose between all of these things, or you can say others and say YouTube, like so. Then from here you can click by continuing I agree with the TOS and privacy policy, and then you can sign up for free. Once you've done that, this page should be popping up, the dashboard. From here you'll need to click Start Challenge, and here you'll need to write in your address information, like address, city, postal code, and then your country that you chose when you created the account. From here, you'll need to go down to funding programs, where you can see step 1, step 2, instant funding pro, or the free trial. The free trial is the demo account, but all of these will cost money. So let's choose the step 2 for this example. Here you can add in a starting balance, either 100k, 50k, 25k, 10k, 5k, or 2.5k. And down here you can also choose the platform, either Match Trader or MetaTrader 5. From here you can add in a payment method where you can either pay with your card, you can pay with crypto, or you can pay with your wallet. Then from here you'll just need to add in the details, and you can add if you have a coupon over here, and it's the coupon code right here. From here you need to click I am satisfied with my purchase and click get funded now. Then from here you'll get your funded account and you can start your challenge. I wish you good luck with your challenge and happy trading.